What do you mean? What I want?
Why is he so nice to Rage and not me?
What do you mean? What I want?
I wonder why.
Hold on. What room is Rage in?
Why? Yo, Rage, Hello? Hold on. Tell Ron. Wait, tell Ron to step the fuck out real quick. Tell Ron to step out real quick. I'm gonna tell you to come back in, Ron. Hold on, Ron. Tell him step back real quick. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
So, did he step out?
Yeah, he stepped out.
So, you know, your injury was caused by niggas saying dumb shit, which led you to chopping wood, which led you to having a real injury that almost made me cry, right? So right now, I got beef with a lot of niggas that hurt, you know? So the only way I could talk to Ron is if he sings Payphone.
The only way you could talk to Ron is if he sings Payphone. I like that out of you.
Come on. It's cause and effect to life, bro. He was the cause to your...
Hey, Ron! Yeah, what's up?
I'm watching the stream, bro. Yo, John. He was speaking...
Oh, is this Ty's number? Oh, can I call him later? Yo, what you do? Can you sing Payphone for me?
Please, bro. His eye hurt.
He's upset that you hurt my eye.
Please, Ron.
And then he'll talk to you. You promise, Mud?
I promise, Muddy.
Okay. Put it on. Put it on?
Wait, just put it on?
Is it like the instrumental or the song? Well, what do you think would hit more? The stable Ronaldo Payphone memes are going viral recently. Do I put the instrumental, Kyle, or the song?
Put the instrumental. Put like the karaoke.
Say no more.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
I bet.
I'm ready.
I love you, dude. I got you, gang.
Love you, dude. I got you, gang.
Is this nigga got ADHD or some shit?
I'm mad at Yo, put the real song on.
No. Go back.
It doesn't sound right.
What do you mean it doesn't sound right?
It sounds off beat. I don't know how to be on beat. Put it on, Muddy! Put it on!
Right here?
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Alright, I got this. I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be.
Yes.
It's even harder to picture. But you're not here right next to me.
Yes.
Say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And all that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I'm wasting my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise.
Yo, Rage.
Yeah.
You know what I like about that, bro?
What you like about that?
It was wholesome. And that's Ron. That's the Ron we love, bro.
That's the wrong.
That's the Ron. Like it gave me like a good feeling inside, you know. Now I got a serious question. Does Ron have ADHD?
Yes.
Oh shit.
Take Adderall. He
Oh.
has ADHD and a little bit of autism.
Oh, okay. Well, hi, Ron. But why is he acting like he never speak? Why he acting like he haven't spoken to me in like he speaks to me every time I'm in his chat?
Kai, I look up to you, bro. I love when you do the somebody
He was doing good.
Get out. Get out.
He was doing good. He was doing good.
Close my door.
He was doing good. He was doing good.
Close the door.
He was doing good. He was doing good. I'm sorry.
Bro, I sold!
Tell my
I sold! But I really do love when he does the somebody smell like shit.